Have you ever seen an orangutan? If yes, then you know that they are incredibly intelligent animals. They can use tools, recognize themselves in the mirror, and even have a kind of social media presence. However, orangutans are even smarter than you might think. So here are some facts about orangutan intelligence that will blow your mind. No. 1. Orangutans are self-aware. Self-awareness is a sign of high intelligence, and orangutans are one of only a few animals that display this behavior. In a study conducted in 2003, orangutans were presented with a mirror, and some had their fur dyed in ways that were not visible to the apes. When the apes looked into the mirror, they saw the mark for the first time, and some of them started to scream because they thought it was another animal. This shows that they understand that the mirror was showing them a real-time image of themselves. Only great apes and some dolphins and parrots are known to be self-aware. Number 2, orangutans can learn sign language. Orangutans can learn to communicate with humans using sign language. An adult orangutan can learn up to 300 signs and can use them to communicate their wants and needs. One famous orangutan named Chantek learned sign language when she was just 2 years old. She was taught by her owner, who was a professor at the University of Oklahoma. Chantek would use signs to ask for food and to tell her owner when she needed to go to the bathroom. She even learned to sign some complex sentences. Unfortunately, Chantek passed away in 2008, but there are still a few orangutans today that know sign language. Number 3, orangutans have excellent memories. Orangutans have excellent memories, which helps them to remember where food sources are located and to avoid predators. They also use their memories to remember the location of their nests, which they build each night before they sleep. The nests are made out of leaves and branches and are used to keep the orangutans safe from predators while they sleep. Orangutans are one of the few animals that build a new bed every night, and their excellent memories help them to remember where they've made their beds so that they can return to them safely. Number 4. Orangutans can plan ahead. Orangutans are capable of planning ahead, which is a complex cognitive ability. In a study conducted in 2015, orangutans were given a task where they had to pull on a lever to get food. The orangutans were able to remember that action and use it to get food in the future. This shows that they are capable of planning ahead and using their past experiences to help them in the future. This is a very high level of intelligence that is usually only seen in primates. Number 5. Orangutans use tools. Orangutans are one of the few animals that use tools in the wild. They have been observed using sticks to extract termites from termite mounds, and they also use leaves to collect water. Some orangutans even use spears to hunt. Spears are typically associated with humans and other primates, but there have been instances of orangutans using them to hunt. This is an example of how orangutans are highly intelligent and adaptable creatures. Number 6. Orangutans are excellent problem solvers. Orangutans are highly intelligent creatures, and they have been observed using their intelligence to solve problems in the wild. For example, they have been seen using sticks to test the depth of water before crossing a river. They also use their intelligence to figure out how to open hard nuts and to extract the tasty meat inside. This is a very high level of intelligence that is usually only seen in primates. Number 7. Orangutans have big brains. The size of an animal's brain is often related to its intelligence, and orangutans have relatively big brains compared to their body size. The average orangutan brain weighs about 400 grams and is one of the largest of any primate. The size of their brain allows them to have the capacity for complex thought and behavior. Number 8. Orangutans have a strong sense of curiosity. Orangutans are highly curious creatures, and they will often investigate anything new in their environment. This curiosity helps them to learn about their surroundings and to find new food sources. It also helps them to avoid danger, since they are more likely to investigate something new than to avoid it. Their curiosity makes them more adaptable and better able to survive in different environments. Number 9. Orangutans are social animals. Orangutans live in groups of up to 15 individuals. They are social animals, and they communicate with each other using a variety of vocalizations and gestures. They also have a complex social structure, and the different members of the group have different roles. This social structure requires a high level of intelligence to maintain. Number 10. Orangutans are endangered. Orangutans are currently endangered and their populations are declining due to habitat loss and poaching. This means that they may disappear from the planet in the near future. This is a tragedy since they are such intelligent and unique creatures. We need to do more to protect them and ensure that they have the resources they need to survive. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave us a like. And why don't you subscribe so you won't miss out on any awesome videos?